You're listening to Fish Grow Plants, a podcast all about practicing and sharing the love of aquaponics, hosted by Logan Schoolcraft.
Hello and welcome to Fish Grow Plants. In today's episode, we're going to talk about appreciating the calm that an aquaponic system can create. The inspiration for this story started yesterday, but formalized today when I got up all stiff and sore. My day job really has me doing a lot of stuff, and yesterday was pretty demanding on my body. I realized this morning having something soothing for the soul, for the body, and for the mind is just what I needed. Then it hit me. I already have that. So I smiled to myself and said, you know what? You're going to get all of that and more when you head out to feed those fish of yours. So I smiled. I felt good. Even as I'm sharing this, I feel good just thinking about those swimming fish, the brilliant greens, and the peaceful sound of the water flowing its wonderful loop. Ah, serenity. I don't have to tell you how wonderful an aquaponic system can be for your body, mind, and spirit, but I feel like sharing the wonder of it. After all, I love this stuff. Greens don't just look amazing in an aquaponic system. They are super healthy for your body and your mind in a functional sense too. In addition to all the nutrients these plants provide, knowing that you're growing your own food pesticide, herbicide, and chemical-free not only boosts the impact of the nutrients, but it makes your body feel better. I can feel mine relaxing and just being grateful for such clean, healthy food. So thank you, aquaponics. The wonder of aquaponics is engaging, relaxing, and restorative for my mind. It gets me pondering about how things work, or asking how can I improve this, or I start to think of who I could share this with, and how can aquaponics be made easier for more people to access. There's a plethora of options for my mind to run to. Honestly, the most recurring thoughts are trying to juggle the calendar swap of harvesting and transplanting for the various crops. My body enjoys the benefits of the system, but my mind has to get it all to the table. So thank you, aquaponics. I also find myself just staring and taking in the sensory bliss that aquaponics provides. I probably have untold hours just staring off into the presence of my system. It's that relaxing. I enjoy the atmosphere it creates and how I feel when I'm around it. There has to be something magical about moving water, fish, and plants all in one place. There's no accurate way to describe it, but magical sure seems like a good fit. My soul likes it, and I seem to walk away restored most of the time. So again, thank you, aquaponics. And if you have your own aquaponic system, I'd like you to take some time when you're next with it and just have a moment. Maybe say thank you. Maybe just relish the beauty and wonder that it creates. And it doesn't matter if it's a big or small system, big or small moment you take. Just remember how awesome the system is in front of you. And if you're not quite there with your own system, just take a minute to visualize how good it will feel when you do have your system up and running. When you can say thank you as you make your own harvest from your own system. So once again, thank you, aquaponics. Take care and happy aquaponicking.
This has been another episode of Fish Grow Plants, the podcast all about practicing and sharing the love of aquaponics, hosted by Logan Schoolcraft.